Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and you all are fit and fine. So guys, in today's video we're going to cover a very important topic. It is important because it is related to your immune system. You might have seen, as soon as you turn on any news channel or you log in into any social media account, you see all the health experts of the world reiterating the single statement that you all need to improve your immunity if you have to fight such diseases as the ongoing ones. So they already have prescribed a certain diet plans in which the intake of the vitamin C has to be increased. I'm sure you all are following those diets already. But apart from that, there are certain exercises which can be done within 5 or 7 minutes, and you can inculcate all those exercises in your routine, and those will help you in improving your immunity. So guys, the exercises are related to your lymph nodes or your lymphatic system. You might have heard about this term before, but let's look into the diagram. Basically, what are lymph nodes? So this is lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are basically bean-like structures which are present throughout our body. They are important because they form a part of the immune system, and these contains white blood cells, and we all know that white blood cells are the ones which help to fight against various diseases. Also guys, they contain B and T types of cells which are vital when our body is fighting any bacteria or any virus. Alright, let's not get into all these technicalities and let's move to the exercises that you can do that can help you improve your immunity. Guys, in terms of yoga, this type of yoga is known as yin yoga. And what are those 4 exercises? I'll list them and I'll tell you what is the procedure to do them. Alright guys, so as I displayed that chart before, so we came to know that the lymph nodes are present almost throughout our body. But there are 4 major areas where most of the lymph nodes are concentrated. What are those? Those are your inner groins, that is this area, the area between your legs. The second is your abdomen, and that is your stomach. And the third is your armpits, and the fourth is your neck. So in order to activate all the limbs, what are those 4 exercises that you can do? Number 1 is your neck rolls. We all know that it's a very easy exercise. You all have to rotate your necks in different directions so that the lymph presence in your neck area gets activated. Forward bends, it's a very easy exercise. All you have to do is you have to join your hands together and fold down and touch down and hold there for some seconds, and it will activate your abdomen and your chest area. Third is leg against wall. It's a very easy exercise. All you have to do is you have to go near a wall and you have to place your legs against the wall, and you have to hold there for almost 5 minutes, and this will help all your lymphs to activate in your groin area, and it's very important for that muscles to activate it in that area. And the last one is a bridge. I can't explain you what a bridge looks like, but if you Google it, you'll get to know about it. I'm not posting any videos related to that, all these exercises, as they are easily available on the internet. But just in case you want me to post a video, you can write down in the comment section. I can shoot that for you guys. Alright, so these were some exercises that can help you in bettering your immune system, and we have already discussed about the diet that you can take in which you can increase the vitamin C. And 2 additional tips that I can give you is, guys, you need to increase the intake of water. Whatever amount of water you are taking, just double the amount, so that all the toxics present in your body gets detoxified. And second thing, which is the most important thing, is rest. We all know that once our body rests, it recovers from all kind of illnesses and the problems that is suffering from. So you all need to rest at least for 7 to 8 hours so that your body feels better. I hope this video was useful, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the information, click on the like button, and stay tuned for more such videos. Take care.